Hi guys, quick update on Ubuntu about GTK 4 applications. To enable them, first of all install GNOME shell extensions. You will also customize the GNOME shell. Then go into GNOME Tweaks, Appearance, set icons to Mueping icons, shell Mueping 16, legacy apps Mueping 16. And now I will show you how to tweak GTK4 applications. You need, this is the theme Mueping 16, there is a GTK4 folder, copy everything inside home.config GTK4. Here, very important thing, open in terminal, write the command sudo chmod 777 plus hashtag, it is shift 8, enter. In this way the settings will overwrite the standard one on Ubuntu, and even after you reboot the system, this will be the default theme, not the Ubuntu white and black GTK4 theme. See you later guys.